Hi, Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is the big client. Now, the reason I put this together is I deal with a lot of customer service teams, and whether you're customer service or just sales in general, sometimes there's the mindset that we can be slightly intimidated by the client. And therefore, if we feel like that, it means we have the lower hand. The client has the upper hand. And I want to recalibrate that thinking with you. It's very important. You have a product, solution, or service that they may need. It's neutral. They're not above you, they're not below you, it is neutral. All you're merely doing is taking a call or asking intelligent questions to find out what they need and how you can help them, and then putting forward a solution. It's really important that you and your team go in knowing that we're exactly the same as them. Maybe look them up on LinkedIn or on their website or something, but to remind yourself, we are equal here. You have a product, service or solution that they may need. You ask them intelligent questions to find out how you can assist them. It is all equal. It's psychologically really important that you go in with that mindset. If you'd like to learn more about customer service techniques or how to look after your client or being in charge of your state when on the phone, then subscribe below for more tips. And if you want to know more about courses regarding your state, then contact us now. I'm Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.